Managing projects effectively requires the right tools, but how do you choose between them? Today, we'll explore 3 standout software options, each bringing something unique to the table. Whether you're leading a team or handling your own tasks, these tools could be the key to unlocking your project management potential. Stick with us to find the perfect fit for your needs.
Managing a project can be a daunting task. From overseeing budgets to assigning tasks and deadlines to coordinating with your team across different time zones, the workload can pile up fast. Enter Celoxis, a powerful project management software designed to streamline even the most complex projects. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started, Celoxis has something to offer everyone. Celoxis is a highly flexible, cloud-based project management platform that empowers teams to manage their projects, tasks, and resources efficiently. It provides a centralized system where all your project data is stored, allowing you to have an overview of every aspect of your work in real time. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or coordinating with remote teams, Celoxis helps you stay organized and ensures you meet your deadlines. Create tasks, assign them to team members, set priorities, and track progress with ease. Celoxis allows you to break down even the most complex projects into manageable tasks, making sure nothing gets overlooked. Ensure that every project has the necessary resources by assigning team members based on their skills and availability. Celoxis provides real-time resource utilization data, allowing you to allocate resources effectively. Celoxis is more than just a task manager. It helps you identify potential risks before they become issues. With its advanced forecasting tools, you can estimate time, costs, and risks, enabling you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Celoxis allows users to create custom dashboards to display relevant information. You can have an at-a-glance view of your project's progress, deadlines, and budget performance, all from a single screen. Never lose track of hours spent on tasks again. Celoxis comes with built-in time tracking features that allow your team to log hours and track productivity in real time, which is crucial for accurate project costing and billing. Celoxis supports integration with a variety of other popular tools such as Jira, Microsoft Project, Outlook, and Salesforce. This allows teams to maintain their existing workflows while still benefiting from Celoxis's powerful project management features. The seamless integration also makes data transfer between platforms effortless, ensuring all project information stays in sync. Celoxis is a truly global tool. With support for multiple languages, currencies, and time zones, it is designed to help businesses that operate across different geographies. Whether you have teams in the US, Europe, or Asia, Celoxis ensures that everyone stays aligned. For teams that prefer simplicity without compromising on functionality, TeamGantt is the go-to project management tool. Its core feature, Gantt Charts, offers a visual approach to managing projects, making it one of the most intuitive tools available today. The tool is built to support collaboration, task management, and progress tracking, all through a simple drag-and-drop interface. At its heart, TeamGantt is a project planning software that helps teams visualize their tasks and timelines using Gantt Charts. Gantt Charts are one of the most effective ways to understand the relationships between tasks in a project and see how one task's delay can impact the entire project. With TeamGantt, you can easily plan, schedule, and manage multiple projects simultaneously, ensuring that your team stays on track. TeamGantt's primary strength lies in its simplicity. You can quickly create projects and visualize all your tasks in a single view. This ensures that all team members have a clear understanding of their responsibilities and deadlines. Planning and rescheduling tasks has never been easier, thanks to TeamGantt's drag-and-drop feature. If a task deadline changes, simply drag the task to a new date, and the software will automatically adjust dependent tasks accordingly. TeamGantt also includes built-in time tracking and budgeting tools, You can set up budgets for projects and track the time spent by each team member on their assigned tasks. This is particularly useful for companies that bill clients by the hour or need to closely monitor their resources. Easily set dependencies between tasks to ensure that one task cannot start until another is complete. This feature helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that all tasks are completed in the correct order. TeamGantt allows you to upload and share files directly within your project, eliminating the need for external storage or communication tools. As remote work becomes more common, TeamGantt has proven to be a reliable tool for distributed teams. Its intuitive interface and real-time updates ensure that everyone on the team, regardless of their location, stays aligned with project goals. Whether you follow a traditional project management methodology like waterfall or prefer agile practices, TeamGantt offers the flexibility to customize your workflow. You can create tasks, assign roles, and set priorities in a way that suits your specific project structure, ensuring that your team works efficiently. If you're tired of switching between multiple tools to manage different aspects of your business, Scoro offers a complete solution. Scoro is designed to bring everything under one roof, from project management and CRM to invoicing and analytics. This all-in-one platform ensures that every department in your company can collaborate seamlessly, making it the perfect choice for businesses of all sizes. Scoro is not just a project management tool, it's a comprehensive business management platform that integrates project management, resource planning, CRM, time tracking, billing, and financial reporting all in one place. It's designed to streamline your workflows, giving you a complete overview of your entire business operation. Scoro allows you to manage your projects from start to finish, keeping track of every detail from task allocation to deadline management. You can monitor budgets, assign tasks to your team, and track progress in real time, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. One of Scoro's key advantages is its strong financial management tools. From invoicing clients to tracking project profitability, Scoro ensures that your finances are as organized as your tasks. Scoro's built-in CRM allows you to manage all your client interactions in one place. Whether you're tracking leads, managing customer accounts, or sending follow-up emails, Scoro keeps your client relationships organized and easily accessible. Scoro offers highly customizable dashboards that allow you to track the KPIs that matter most to your business. Whether it's revenue, profitability, or project completion rates, you can set up your dashboard to display real-time data that helps you make informed decisions. Scoro's automation features are designed to save time and improve productivity. For example, you can automate recurring tasks such as invoicing, task reminders, and even reporting. By reducing manual work, your team can focus on more high-value activities that drive growth. Scoro integrates with a wide range of tools that your team is already using, such as Zapier, Xero, Google Calendar, and Slack. This ensures that you can keep using the tools you love while still benefiting from Scoro's powerful business management capabilities. Collaboration is at the core of Scoro's design. Teams can work together in real time, share files, comment on tasks, and receive updates as soon as they happen. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures that your projects run smoothly, even when your team is spread across different time zones. Scoro offers powerful reporting features that give you a full view of your business. You can generate detailed reports on every aspect of your operations, from project progress to financial performance. This helps you stay informed and allows you to make data-driven decisions that lead to better outcomes. When choosing the right project management tool, it all boils down to your business's specific needs. Celoxis is perfect for organizations handling complex projects and needing advanced reporting and resource allocation. TeamGantt is ideal for teams that prioritize simplicity and visual task management through Gantt Charts. Scoro, on the other hand, is the ultimate all-in-one solution that not only helps you manage projects, but also integrates financials, CRM, and business analytics, making it a powerful tool for growing businesses. Each of these tools brings unique advantages to the table, so the right choice depends on what you value most, whether it's simplicity, in-depth reporting, or comprehensive business management.